Alright, it's that time of year. I'm standing here using the generator as a table for these cool new sandbags. These are from Aimosen, something like that. In any case, these are really cool. They should be really functional when this hurricane gets here and I can tie things down in my backyard. Comes with bags that you actually put the sand in, and then the sand in the bag goes in the second bag. And the nice thing about these is they have a handle on the top, which makes them both easy to carry and also easy to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them up with sand. I'll set them up a little bit and I'll show you what they look like so you know what to expect. Oh man, is it hot. Not only is it hot, but this is hard work dragging around all the sand. In any case, just so you know, two of these, about looking like this, they look like saddlebags. They're really nice, super functional the way this handle is. You can really tie it to anyone. Very easy to fill. You put it in the plastic bags and then you just slide it in here, kind of like nice and clean. Although I will say the little Ziploc things are a little hard to get going once they have some sand in them, but I got it done. In any case, these things are absolutely super cool. In case you're curious, these two bags took about a full bag of sand to fill up. In any case, hope this was helpful. See you next time.